Welcome to my kitchen. This is where all the cooking magic begins. From my kitchen to yours. Let's begin. Welcome, guys. This is Liz Magic, and today I'm hanging with one of my grandlins, my granddaughter Dakota. And Dakota, what will we be making today?
Shrimp.
What kind of shrimp?
Chili shrimp.
And the shrimp, as you guys can see, they're still in the shell. My reason for this is because I'm gonna coat my shrimp into flour. I also will be adding into my shrimp some chili flakes right there. Chili pepper, right?
Chili pepper.
Yeah, we're using chili flake and chili pepper.
Very spicy.
There you go. You think you can eat it?
No.
All right. We'll see. And we'll also be using vegetable oil to fry the shrimp. I'm going to use some fish seasoning and season up the shrimp. Black pepper. That's what we put in Coda?
Yes.
A little seasoning salt in there. And just blend all this in. Just give it a nice rub into the shrimp. Now I'm gonna get the flour ready to coat my shrimp. And what am I putting in there, Coda?
Black pepper.
There, some black pepper. What else we're gonna put in there? We're gonna put some seasoning salt into it. There. So this is what I'm gonna use to coat the shrimp. And I'm just gonna mix it in, right in there. My frying pan is on the stove. I'm just gonna add my vegetable oil to my frying pan. While the oil is getting hot, what are we gonna do, Coda?
We're going to put the flour in the shrimp.
Oh, the flour in the shrimp. Okay, we're gonna put the shrimp in the flour. It's okay. You're getting there. You're my co-pilot today. You'll get there. All right. So we just put the shrimp in the flour like this, and just coat them nicely in the flour while the oil is getting hot. Now I'm gonna add breaded shrimp or my coated shrimp to the frying pan. Coda, you want to help?
Yeah.
Go ahead. As you can see, guys, the shrimp, they're there in the frying pan, they're frying. And I'm just going to flip them over. Look at that on that side, nicely browned. See? Right, Coda?
Yeah. And it's very spicy.
Well, you might not be able to eat it, but it's all good. I'll make you something else. Now, guys, the shrimp is ready. I'm going to take them out. As you can see, guys, the shrimp is finished. All nicely golden brown. Now I'm going to get the chili ready for my shrimp. And you guys going to see how we're going to finish up this delicious dish. For all the new people to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to press the like button and to subscribe. And for my usual and faithful people, thank you for always being there, giving me the thumbs up. I do appreciate you guys. I'm gonna add oil to the frying pan because this is where the magic continues. Next, some chili flakes, right, Dakota?
Yes.
Onions, peppers,
I see those parts.
chili,
Chili. And that part. Can I see?
garlic.
Garlic.
That's what we're adding. Add in some seasoning salt, paprika, black pepper, sprinkle some dill into it. Nicely blend everything together. I want the chili pepper to infuse into the oil so we can get that nice chili taste. combined with the crunch of the shrimp. I'm just going to saute this for a couple minutes, and next I'm going to just add the shrimp to it. I'm going to add the shrimp. I'm not going to let it cook for long because I still want to have that crunch. You guys can see the chili pepper right in there, the onions and the bell pepper right there, and a few pieces of the garlic all over my shrimp. It's smelling so good, guys, so good. It's finished. There it is, guys, my chili shrimp. Delicious. Bing, just like magic.